Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous videos we talked about some basics of core Java and what is OOPS concept. From this video onwards we will use some functionality provided by the language and some core classes. So one of the class in Java is string. So we will talk about string, then how Java manipulates string, how to use the string existing class and its methods that we will see in this video. So what is string? String is just a combination of or characters, a sequence of characters. So strings, why we use string? It's just a way to store text data. Like if we have example, if I have some 1, a numeric value 2. So these are numeric values, integers. So I can store them in int type. If I have some characters like a, so I have to store that in char type. Let's suppose I have some float types, decimals like 2.3. So I can store that in float, and if the range is big, so I can use double as well. What if I have a character like this CloudRaga? This is it's not a character, it's a string, it's a text. So we store this in string type. Make sure this S is capital. Why? We will see, but I just giving you an idea why we need the string type to store some text data. So for S specifically, like for numeric, we have int. For characters, we have char. For decimals type, we have float or double. And for string type of data, for text data, we can store that in string type. So in Java language, strings are object. This is essential to understand because the top four from left side, these int, char, float, double, these are known as primitive type. We have discussed about them in you know previous section data types. So you can refer my previous videos. But when it comes to string is object in Java. So make sure you are treating it as object. Okay. Next thing is Java platform provides the string class to create and manipulate strings, or I can say text. Both will work here. Okay, that's what it do. And how to create how to create a string in Java. So we can use that text and surround it with double quotes like here, double quotes hello, double quotes CloudRaga, double quotes Pavan. So these are some examples which you can create a text. And one high level note that string class is immutable. What does it mean? That means once it is created, you cannot change its value. So all this thing we will discuss in upcoming classes. So this was just an overview of string class. In next video we will talk about how to create string class, and once we have string, what operation we can perform on it. So stay tuned in this series. There's a lot to thing to discuss. So let's meet in next video. Bye bye everyone.